we are going to do a aluminum casting of a Bigfoot print. See how it turns out. It's cold outside, so sorry about the steam. Here's the aluminum getting ready to melt. Here's the setup. We've got our little furnace encased in sand, kind of a little extra insulation. Okay. Hold it. Yep. Ready? Second. Oh, fuck, that is cool, dude. Be careful. Come on, Bigfoot. Come on, Bigfoot. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Be enough. Be enough. Please be enough. Come on, Bigfoot. Come on, Bigfoot. Get in there. Come on. Get in there. Dude, that was close, huh? Still really oh shit, yeah. That's
chunky, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks a little chunky.
It started again. I don't know what that shit is. Is it just junk shit or what?
I think so.
Oh, made a fucking mess out of his crucible.
Well, there it is. Just clean up a little bit of the excess on the sides and call it good.